The 2 News first at 4, COVID-19 cases on the rise across the country. That includes right here in the Miami Valley.
Local health leaders say there has been a steady increase in cases over the last 6 weeks. 2 News reporter Riley Phillips joins us live now to break down some of these numbers. What does this mean for summer travel, Riley?
Yes, I know school's almost out for kids and a lot of people are planning those summer vacations and summer parties. But health leaders reminding everyone COVID-19 has not gone away. And while it's not something we need to be overly worried about right now, they still urge caution before heading into those summer events.
After all the progress that we have made from January, the swing in the other direction is not what we want to be seeing.
A steady increase in COVID-19 cases across the state of Ohio, with more than 46,000 cases being reported in the last 3 weeks. Hospitalizations are also slowly rising, but ICU admissions and the number of deaths are staying around the same.
This strain of COVID-19 is highly contagious. But, the flip side of it is that it's not impacting the hospitals as much. I think people are having milder disease. In large part because of previous infection with other strains and some immunity from that, as well as their immunity from their vaccines and their boosters that they've had.
Those trends are being seen here in the Miami Valley. And just in time for the summer vacation season, local health leaders believe COVID-19 is still something people should consider when making their plans.
I'm not saying that I want people to worry, but I want them to think about it. I want them to think, is this appropriate for me? Am I going to be around grandma at this party, and is she immunocompromised? Do we need to make sure we protect her? There's lots of things to think about.
Experts say the vaccine is still the most effective way to prevent severe disease or death, and health leaders say now is the time to get it before you go on those vacations. They also recommend holding your summer parties outside where people can still social distance. And if you're high risk for severe disease, they say it's important to take those extra precautions.
They are immunosuppressed. They have not completed the vaccination series. It may be a great idea for them to skip those events that are going to be having a lot of mixed visitors coming in from different locations, where we could be introducing a higher risk for infection than that person is really willing to take.
And these health leaders say the number of COVID-19 cases is actually being underreported right now because more people are using those at-home tests, and those at-home results are not always reported to local health departments. Live in the studio, Riley Phillips, 2 News, working for you.